Hello, gorgeouses. This is Estrada. As you can see, as I was telling you just yesterday, we do have this problem with our sewer. So now we find the sewer line right there, the white little thing. I've been working already almost half an hour on this. I went to, get my camera so I could record this, and then I'm gonna go and hit the gym still, because we still gotta work out, gorgeouses. I mean, let me see what good angle we have here. And of course, uh, I'm not a professional plumber. I'm just following guidelines and ideas that someone just told me. Okay, this is the pipe right here. I don't think you can see it. And let me look into this. We need a better angle so you can see what I'm trying not to destroy. Hopefully you see that. Okay, and we gotta open up quite a lot. There's a lot of work here to do because we're dealing with a lot of roots and stuff. So I'm gonna make the hole a little bit more. This is challenging, so I use some of this to cut over the roots. I think it's easier. And the problem is that we have all these trees around here. And of course, when we were building the house, we never thought about it. Well, I didn't build the house. Whoever built the house, and then later, whoever decided to, you know, go at this. And of course, I'm using this pick just to clean up. So that's why, gorgeouses, we have to be a little fit. So when things happen in life, we're able to conquer it, right? There's a lot of roots here. A lot of work. I'm just going to be here, maybe for half an hour more or a little bit. Like you see, I mean, this is a hard work. I'm already out of breath. So this is the hole. Oh, how, and these are the trees that I was telling you about. You see, we got 1, 2, 3. It's the main pipe and the sewer. And we need to clean up the sewer because it has not been cleaned in ages. The city already cleaned up their sewer, but they say it's a better idea to clean up mine because that's why they think that water's not flowing. I already put some products in there and they're not enough. So we need to do this. And I think this is going to help a lot. So, gorgeouses, I'm going to work on this. I don't think you want to see me doing all of this. This so far, the tools that I have, This thing is like to take the dirt. I have a couple of shovels. The little um, pike, pick, pick, and this beautiful 40. I think it's a 40 or 25 bar to help with the digging. So I don't think you want to see me doing all of that. I think it was enough what you saw. And then I'm gonna see how far I go hitting this for half an hour. In the meantime, I'm just gonna hear some music and I'll see you in a moment. And I hope to see you today in the gym because I'm still here working today, Sunday, January 21st, and I want to hit the gym strong. Today's a strong day. So hopefully I'm not gonna get beat up. I believe I ate enough meat today. I ate, I think, about 3 pounds to try to recuperate and heal my body and hit the gym now. I love you, gorgeouses. Have a wonderful and gorgeous day wherever you are. This is Estrada. Subscribe, share, rinse, and repeat. Watch this video again if you want. And I love you all. All of you are so special. You all the way over there in the back. All right.